Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn about the conductors and insulators. So, what are conductors? Conductors are the objects or the material which allows the flow of electricity through them with minimum resistance. Whereas insulators are the objects or the material which do not allow to pass the electricity through them. Okay. So basically conductors will allow the flow of electricity or flow of charges through them, and insulators will resist or it will not allow the electricity to pass through them. Now here is a circuit diagram. So we have a battery, a bulb, there is a switch over here, and here we will place the objects to test if they are conducting the electricity or if they are resisting it. So the first one that we have here is a plastic bottle. So let us turn on the switch and see if the bulb will glow. So let us see the flow of electrons. So the flow of electrons will always be from the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal. Now since here we have a plastic bottle, that is an insulator, these electrons will not be able to pass through it. Then let us see the flow of current. Now the flow of current will always be from the positive terminal of the battery or the source to the negative terminal. Now since we have an insulator in the circuit, the electric current cannot pass through it, and since the circuit is not complete, the bulb is not glowing. We can also adjust the voltage of the battery. Now see, I am reducing the voltage, so this flow of energy is slowing down. See, and if I increase it, it will be very fast. Now let us see the next object that we have. We have a copper wire. I am replacing this with copper wire. So first we have a battery, then a bulb. Now I have added copper wire over here. Now let us turn on the switch. So in this case the bulb is glowing. Thus this copper wire is a conductor. It is allowing the electricity to pass through it with minimum resistance. Okay, so let us see the flow of current. The circuit is complete in this, and thus the bulb is glowing. So the current is flowing from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery, and the flow of electrons is from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. Okay, the flow of current and the flow of electrons is opposite. Then if I increase the voltage, you can see that the electrons are moving faster and faster. Same with the current. Then let us see another example. So the next object that we have is a wooden scale in our circuit. So what do you think, will the bulb glow in this? So let us turn on the switch. No, it will not glow because the wooden material is also an insulator. So the flow of electric current will start from the battery and it will stop here. Okay, this wooden object will resist the flow. Similarly for the electrons, they will the flow of electrons will start through the switch. It will move, and only till here they can reach. Now if I turn off the switch, see, the flow will be only till the switch. When I turn on the switch, it will connect again. So the next object that we have is an eraser. Okay, the eraser which we use. So in this also the bulb will not glow, as this is also an insulator. See. Then the next object which we have is a brass wire. Now this is also a metal object, and all the metals usually can conduct electricity. So this brass wire will also help in the bulb glowing. Okay, it will conduct the electricity. See, this is the flow of the current. On increasing the voltage, it will be faster, and this is the flow of electrons. When I turn off the switch, the bulb will stop glowing. Then the next we have is a steel wire. Now this is also a conductor, and it will allow the bulb to glow. So here we have the flow of current and the flow of electrons. Then another example is a gold wire. Okay, so gold is also a metal, so it can also conduct the electricity, and that is why the bulb will glow. Okay, then the last example that we have is a 10 rupees note. Okay, now this is made up of paper, and paper is also an insulator, so that is why the bulb will not glow. So now what are the different things or objects that we have seen in this? So let us classify them into conductors and insulators. So first is copper wire, which is a conductor. Then a wooden ruler or wooden scale, that is an insulator. Then a plastic bottle, again an insulator. Eraser, again an insulator. Then we have brass wire, that is a conductor. Steel wire, also a conductor. And then gold wire, which is also a conductor. The last example that we did was a note, okay, paper note, which is an insulator. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bodhi Academy.